Hello everyone. Following the success of the Honda CB350 in India and Vietnam and the GB350 in Japan, Honda reportedly wants to expand the market by launching a larger engine variant. One possibility that could occur is GB500. In fact, it's not actually a rumor because Honda already implied this when it launched the GB350. Let's discuss what this motorbike is like. Japanese two-wheel magazine Young Machine released a digital image or rendering of what if Honda really launched the GB500 in Japan or the CB500 in other markets. From the images released, it is predicted that the exterior design of the GB500 will likely be similar to the GB350 with a round headlight design, connecting seats, and double rear suspension. The rearview mirror also remains round and other elements are retained to support the classic retro style. The reason Honda is believed to be launching the GB500 is because currently there are no Honda motorbikes in the naked retro segment. Currently there are sport fairing, sport naked, bobber, and touring. If true, then if only had a 500cc Honda engine, namely a 471cc kart, 2-cylinder, 4-stroke 8 valves, DOHC, liquid cooled, bore X stroke, namely 67 millimeters x 66.8 millimeters, with a compression ratio of 10.6. The motorbike is capable of producing 49.6 tons of power at 8,500 RPM, torque of 42.9 Newton meters at 7,000 RPM. Power is transferred to the rear wheels using a 6-speed transmission. Sources in the automotive industry indicate that the 2025 version of the Honda GB500 will retain the classic design beauty that makes it so popular. However, technical improvements and the use of the latest materials are expected to give this motorbike a modern touch, making it more environmentally friendly and efficient. Significant changes are also anticipated in the engine sector, with news that the 2025 Honda GB500 will be equipped with a more powerful and efficient engine. As a legendary classic motorbike, this change is expected to not only improve performance, but also maintain the reliability that is attached to the GB500 name. And that's our review today.